Hello, this is Shri from Aeronex, and today I want you to meet the Matrice400, the next generation drone system, engineered for critical missions across the GCC and Africa. With smart AR overlays, Matrice400 brings unmatched situational awareness right to your fingertips, transforming flight data into visual clarity. The Powerline AR feature helps to detect, highlight thin wires in real time, helping teams to avoid hazards even in the most challenging conditions. No more hidden dangers. The system visualizes threats before they become risks, ensuring safe and intelligent flight every time. The AR map view displays street names, buildings, and landmarks directly on your screen, so you always know exactly where you are and what surrounds you. Smart AR flight path guide the drone with precision, projecting real-time navigation overlays, even for return to home and fly-to missions. The AR landing visualizations make touchdowns more accurate, whether you are on-site or controlling remotely. A projected drone shadow confirms safe landing zones, even in complex or confined environments. With live annotations, pilots can instantly mark key areas, take measurement, or tag a mission-critical insight on the fly. All AR data syncs with the DJI FlightHub 2, empowering collaborative mission planning and real-time response across entire teams. The result? Reduced workload, enhanced clarity, and better decision made faster. Matrice400 isn't just smart, it's enterprise-ready, mission-proven, and built for the real world. Learn more at www.aeronex.ae and discover how DJI Enterprise is powering the future of aerial operations.